What is negative lighting? As you can see, we have a lock model here. It looks good, but do you know how to make it much better? Like from this to this. We use negative lighting inside the model to make it darker inside and probably hide bad detailing. This could be done by going to the light properties and then manually typing the negative values because sliders don't go beyond 0 by default. Or you can actively select the light and then right-click and choose Adjust Light Intensity and then slide the mouse left or right to quickly adjust the intensity of light. This is 3D Blunders, signing off. Hope you use this in your future projects. See you in next one.